So you want to start with 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. We want to add a pinch of salt to this, about 1/3 of a cup of sugar, mix that in. And then we have some white wine, and we want a couple tablespoons of olive oil. A couple tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin with the white wine. Any kind of wine that you like to drink is perfect for this. Put that in our bowl and mix this all around. Get it into a nice dough. You can do this in a food processor too if you didn't want to do it by hand. I'm going to take that out on my board now and just knead this. So this is going to need about, I would say, 30 minutes or so to sit around. And while it's sitting around, you can make the filling. Get it smooth, and then put it back in that bowl, cover it, and when you come back to roll this, it's going to be even easier to roll because the gluten will have been relaxed in the flour. So it goes back in the bowl. We're going to set that aside and work on those chickpeas. All right, for the Panzerotti di ceci, I said we have to start with chickpeas. See how easy that is? So we want to grind that up. And I'm going to put it right here in my bowl. And then with this, we want to flavor this now. We're going to add the zest of an orange. So zest in an orange. This gives a really nice flavor with there's also chocolate in this, and I just think chocolate and orange have such a nice affinity. And then we have some cinnamon. Little cinnamon goes in. We have some orange peel. Now, this is homemade orange peel made by my friend Ruth Moore, who painstakingly did this for you. Isn't it beautiful? And she did a great job, you can always buy it. So orange peel, candy orange peel goes in. Oh, that's really good, really good. We have some almonds, sliced almonds. And you want 1 egg white, so just the white goes in. Honey, about 1/3 of a cup of the honey. Mix that all together. But we're not done, because now we have to add chocolate to this. You'll know it's good chocolate when you hear that crackle. See how crisp? And that's good enough because it's all going to melt anyway. So in a bowl, and I'm just going to melt it right in the microwave. Here's the chocolate melted in the microwave, see? So now we can add that to the rest of these ingredients. And this is our filling. I just want to lick the bowl, but I'm not going to do it. So here's the Panzerotti dough that we let rest. Remember, this has got the flour and the wine and the olive oil. And so now it's ready. It's ready to use. So I'm going to roll it as if I was doing pasta, fresh pasta. So start with a small piece and get a little flour down. We just want to flatten this some. And we're going to put it through the pasta machine. So for something like this, we can get at least 4 dozen, depending on what size cookie cutter you use, what size round you use. You can get at least 4 dozen with a 3-incher. And I'm going to start on the widest setting. So if you've done the dough correctly, see, it won't stick. And now we're going to move up a notch. If you find that the dough is sticking, then you're going to add a little bit of flour. but very, very springy. Phew, we went cross country. So you see how nice and thin that is, how pretty it looks. So then you get a cookie cutter, something like this, maybe a 3-incher, and just cut out some circles.